on, guys! It's snowing! Yeah! Hands up! 3, 2, 1, go! Alright guys, so tonight, we are going to be doing a shooting test of Mike's, aka the Hick, A&K M249 machine gun on our deformed snowman.
He's a cyclops, don't make fun of him.
Yeah. So, we are going to be aiming for this green dot right here.
Or right there.
And Merry Christmas, guys. As you can see, we are in the festive mood. Red and green, you know, all the way. Alright guys, so we're going to be shooting down probably, what, 50, 75 feet? Yeah. I don't know, 75, 100 feet, give or take a couple of feet. So, down at this snowman, and we're going to show you guys what the damage is after. So, let's get right into this. One. Good. Alright guys, so this is the final result of the A&K M249 machine gun shooting test. As you can see, we kind of destroyed this guy. If you look at his head, if you see, there are bullet indents all around, and it took just right off this half his head. I feel bad for this guy.
This was probably only a 10-second spree. And my gun was not fully charged. The saw is not fully charged.
Yeah.
If this saw would have been fully charged and I would have had more ammo and more time, this head would be gone. It wouldn't be existing.
Yep. And then around here, guys, as you can see, I mean, this guy is just completely torn apart. A lot on this side also. It just took off a whole chunk right there. And then in the middle of the green dot, I mean, it's not even a dot anymore. And then as you can see, there's BBs all around.
Debris.
From the snowman. So that's pretty much the final result. I mean, at 100 feet, the saw machine gun, it tore apart this guy. So that's pretty much. Oh my God! Josh, what are you? Oh God! Midget's gone crazy.
Hold up, wait.
Oh God. No. Oh God, this is just sad right now. I feel really bad. Oh no, okay. I think this guy's had enough. Stop it! You're hurting him. Okay.
I'm covered in snow, yo.
Alright. That was not done by the saw machine gun. That was.
It could have been.
No. Okay. So. As a final result, guys, that machine gun, that is amazing. That is really a destroyer, as you can see.
And that's how
so, guys,
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, that pretty much wraps it up.
Right there.
Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, favorite, rate, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys again, and we'll catch you next time. Alright, it's recording right now, but I can cut this out. Okay. Okay, that's good. Alright, 1, 2. Let's go, guys! It's snowing!
Maybe if they had a lighter that worked.
Cut! Shit. Alright, that's going in the bloopers. Alright, hold up. Ready? Go! Let's go, guys! It's snowing!
cut.